So hello guys, so the topic today is about definite integrals. So this topic is under to the integral calculus. So ito yung mga some formulas na hindi naman kailangan totaling kabisaduhin pero dapat alam mo na yung mga ganitong technique. Gets? So ito yun. Pagmasdan nyo to, if yung dalawang limits is same, so this will be equals to 0. This will be the upper limit and the lower limit, guys. Gets? Kumbaga parang indefinite integral ka lang dito. Yung dito, may upper limit, may upper limit and lower limit. So ito yung upper and this will be the lower limit, guys. So dapat dito makukuha mo sagot is always a constant. So unlike sa indefinite, guys, may plus c, dito is wala ng plus c. Gets? So, para mas ma-appreciate nyo, tara, let's proceed for the first problem, guys. Gets? Okay. So, the integral of 2x plus 3 from 1 to 2 to 5. So, ito yung lower limit and the upper limit, guys. So, yung lower is 1 and the upper limit is 5 from 1 to 5, guys. Gets? So, since alam nyo na mag-indefinite integrals, guys, so this will be a 2x squared all over 2 plus 3x from indefinite integrals lang yan, guys. Parang indefinite lang yan. So, lagay natin ng 5 and then 1. So, cancel, x squared plus 3x. Then, 5, then 1. So, since yan na, gagawin niya natin, guys, f function of b minus a. So, yung a natin, guys, ito yung lower limit and this will be the upper. So, substitute lang tayo ng 5 sa lahat ng x, guys. So, 5 squared plus 3, 5. Then, minus, ito yun, yung minus. Sa a naman, what is the value of a? 1 plus 3, 1. Gets, guys? So, ito ay 25 plus 15 minus 1 plus 3, guys. Gets? So, next. Ito ay by what? 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 minus ito. 40 minus 4 and this will be equals to 36, guys. Gets? So, sa mga nagtataka paano naging ganito yan, guys. So, integral of 5, 1, 2x dx plus the integral of 5, 1, 3 dx. Since constant to, guys, itong 3, labas ko na, no? So, ito, from indefinite integrals, guys. So, power formula, guys, power rule. So, 1 dito, magpa-plus 1 yan sa taas at sa denominator. So, 2x squared all over 2 plus 3 integral of dx, x, then, lagay yung limits, guys. 1 to 5. Gets, guys? I think alam nyo na yun. Kasi nakapunta na kayo sa definite integrals. Matik, pag nakapunta na kayo dito is gets or kabisado nyo na yung mga indefinite integrals, guys. Gets? So, the final answer for this problem is 36. Next. Dito naman. Wait. Oh. Ganun ulit, guys. 3x squared. Integral yan, 3x cubed. Nag-plus 1 ako sa taas, guys. Minus 2x squared all over 2 plus x. So, 2, 1 to 2, guys. So, cancel. Minus x squared plus x, guys. Gets? So, Eto niyan yung, wait, lagay lang natin yung mga limits nila guys. 2 to 1. So, FB minus FA. B is represents as 2 minus yung A natin represents as 1. So, kasi integral of, ito yung lower limit and this will be the upper limit guys. Gets? So, first, substitute the value of 2 sa lahat ng x guys. 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 2 minus, ito yun, yung minus. Sa 1 naman daw, lahat ng 1, 1 cubed minus 1 squared plus 1. Oops. So, ito ay 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So, this will be cancelled. And then 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 1. Distribute yung negative. So, kaya negative 1 siya guys. Gets? So, the answer is 5. Gets pa guys? So, dapat alam nyo na yung mabilis ang indefinite integrals guys. Sa mga basics lang. Yung mga dito. Gets? So, proceed na tayo sa next. Number 3. So, the integral of, okay, wait guys, game. Since dito guys, mahirap na siya imano-mano, so magle-let u na tayo dito. So, let u 4 minus 2x. Katapos niyan guys, yung derivative nito is what? Negative 2 dx. This will be dx guys. dx. So, divide both sides by negative 2. dx equals to du all over negative 2 guys. Gets? So, next, the integral of 0 ay negative 6 to 0 guys. U, square root of u, this can be written as what? U raised to 1 up, diba guys? So in dx, what is the value of dx guys? Dito is du over negative 2. Negative 1 up, integral of 0, negative 6, u raised to 1 up, du. Negative 1 up. So the integral of u raised to 1 up, u, 3 all over 2, 3 all over 2. Then so 0, negative 6 guys. Gets? So paano naging 3 over 2 and 3 over 2 yan? Plus 1 yan sa taas and then 1 up plus 1 sa denominator. Gets guys? From the indefinite integrals. I think alam nyo na yun guys. Game. So negative 1 up divide sa 3 all over 2. Sulpak mo sa calculator ganito oh. Yan. Gets guys? So ano yung makukuha mo dyan? Negative 1 up divide 3 all over 2 yan. So negative 1/3 yan. Gets? So next is what? What is the value of u? U 3 all over 2 yan, di ba? Then 0, negative 6. What is the value of u? 4 minus 2x. Negative 1/3. 4 minus 2x. 3 all over 2. 0, negative 6 guys. Gets? So, wait. FB minus FA. So, this will be represented as B and this will be represented as A. So, 0 minus negative 6. Gets? Next. Wait, ayaw mapalitan yung ballpen. Oh, next. Negative 1/3. 4 minus. Wait. So, 4 minus 2. Lahat ng x palitan ng 0. 0. Yan guys ha. then minus, ito yun yung minus. Lahat daw ng x palitan na 6. 4 minus. So, this will be a bracket sign, guys. 2. Wait, ayaw mabura. So, okay. 4 minus 2. Lahat ng x palitan ng negative 6. And 3 all over 2. Gets, guys? So, negative 1/3. So, negative 1/3, guys. Then, what? 4 minus 0 na to. So, 3 all over 2. Yan. Minus negative 1/3 for negative 2 times negative 6, guys. This will be a what? Positive 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 3 all over 2. Gets? So, pwede na yan sulpak sa calculator. Sulpak nyo yan sa calculator, guys. 4, 3 all over 2. This will be equals to what? Negative 8 all over 3 minus. Distribute mo na to, guys. So, positive. So, 1 over 3, 16 raised to 3 all over 2 is 64 all over 3. So, negative 8 over 3 plus 64 over 3, this will be equals to what? 56 all over 3. Gets, guys? So, third problem na yun. Yun yung final answer sa third problem. So, next. Fourth problem na tayo. Pangapat. So, dito sa pangapat, guys, is what? Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, a squared minus x squared yan, guys. So, pwede nating i-try ko substitution, guys. Gets? So, pwede tayo mag-try ko substitution or integration of inverse trigo functions. Gets? So, magano tayo? Trigo sub. So, yung a natin dito is, guys, a squared is equals to 9. Yung a nito is 3. Yung x squared nito is x squared x. X, guys. Gets? So, next. As you can see, guys, ang a squared minus x squared is equals yan sa, x a sine theta, di ba, guys? Gets? So, next is that, 3 over 0. Then the dx, guys, the derivative of this is also dx. And then square root of this denote as what? Letter a, guys. A squared minus x squared. Gets, guys? So, ito ay x equals to a sine theta pag ganito yung format, guys, di ba? Nakagat to yun eh. Di ba, guys? Gets? So, next is that integrate na natin yan sila. So, game with. Pwede muna tayo dito. Substitute muna yung value ng x. Then the value of a is 3 sine theta. And then the derivative of this dx equals to 3 cosine theta d theta. So, plug and play lang yan, guys. Palitan lang yung mga value nila. So, integral of 3, 0. What is the value of dx, guys? 3 cosine theta d theta. Integral of a squared minus x squared, guys. Since yung a natin is 3, pag in-square natin yung 3, this will be equals to 9 minus, what is the value of x? 3 sine theta, then squared, diba guys? Gets? So, pag ini-square natin to, pwede natin gawing, guys? Pwede natin siyang gawing 9 sine squared theta, diba? Gets? So, katapos nito, pwede natin to factor out yung 9. Pag finactor out natin yan, ganito yung lalabas niyan, di ba? 9, 1 minus sine squared theta. Gets? So, buray lang natin to. Palitan na lang natin dito. So, wait. Oh, game. So, ang 9, 1 minus sine squared theta, ito is equals to what? Cosine squared theta, di ba? So, palitan na natin yan. Cosine squared theta. And then next, the square root of 9. What is the square root of 9? Since nasa loob sila ng square root, guys, no? Anong square root ng 9, guys? Diba 3? Square root ng cosine squared x, cosine theta, diba? So, palitan na natin yan. 3 cosine theta. Gets? So, pwede na tayong mag-cancel. Cancel. Ang naiwan is d theta. Gets? So, 3, 0, d theta. So, the integral of d theta is what? Theta 3, 0, guys. Gets? Then, create tayo ng triangle. So, what is the value of x? Sine theta is equals to, then divide ko lang ng both sides by 3. Cancel. So, nangyari niya is x all over 3. This will be an opposite and then hypotenuse. So, x is the opposite, hypotenuse is 3, and then 9 minus x squared. Gets, guys? So, since 9 minus x squared, hinahanap lang natin dito is theta. So, sine theta, pwede natin gawin yung theta sine of negative 1 x all over 3. Mangat, men. X all over 3. So, the theta value of theta is arc sine x all over 3 with the limits of 0 to 3. Gets? So, FB minus FA. So, this will be the B and this will be the A. Gets? So, sine. Ano yung FB natin, guys? F3 minus F0. Lahat ng x palitan ng 3. Minus FA sine negative 1. Arc sine pala. Then, yung x natin gawin natin 0 and 3. So, this will be equals to 1. Sine 3 all over 3 is equals to 1, diba, guys? So, integrate natin yan sila, guys. Eh, ano pala? Equate natin. So, huwag kakalimutan pala, radian mode. So, sa mga Canon F789 SGA, Canon F789 SGA, yung transparent version, guys, shift mode. So, ito yun, shift mode 4 rad. Gets, guys? So, Canon F789 SGA lang yan, guys. So, game. Shift sign sa 1. So, this will be equals to what? Pi all over 2, di ba? Minus. So, eto, sulpak mo sa calculator yan. So, this will be equals to 0. So, the final answer is pi all over 2. Gets? Gets, guys? So, proceed tayo sa next problem. So, next tayo. Game. The integral of 1 x e raised to x dx from 1 to 2 ay from 0 to 1. So, as you can see, guys, mahirap tong i-integrate. Kailangan natin ei dt. Gets, guys? IBP natin yan. So, the IBP formula is UV minus the integral of P du. So, what is the value of U? From Liate, algebraic and trigo, exponential, inverse, and logarithmic, guys. So, since nauna is algebraic, then derivative of this is what? Dx. So, the dv is equals to e raised to x dx. Gets, guys? So, integrate them both sides. Makakancel yan. Ang matitira dyan is v. Integral of ex dx is also equals to ex, guys. Diba? So, game. U, v minus the integral of v du. So, plug and play. U, e raised to x minus the integral of v du dx. Plug and play lang yan, guys. From 1 to 0. So, x ex minus the integral of ex dx is what? Ex na lang yan, di ba, guys? From 0 to 1, guys. Gets? So, gets, guys? Dapat alam pa rin yung how to IBP, guys. Gets? So, next tayo, guys. Substitute the value of 1 and 0, guys, from FB minus FA. This will be the A, and this will be the B. So, F1 minus F0. Gets? So, dito, continuation. Oh, game. Lahat ng X, palitan ng 1. So, eto yun, guys, ha. So, X, EX, since may X, palitan ng 1. E raised to 1. Minus E raised to 1. Minus, eto yun, minus. Lahat ng X, palitan ng 0. Yan, guys, gets? So, E raised to, so this will be also equals to what? E pa rin to. E raised to 1 equals to E pa rin. E minus 0 na to. Multiply sa 0. Then this will be equals to negative 1. Any number raised to 0 is what? 0. So, E minus E, 0. Minus, distribute yan, guys. Distribute lang yan. So, cancel na to, 1. So, the final answer is 1, guys. Gets? So, proceed tayo sa next problem. So, integral of x dx all over x plus 1 from 1 to 2. So, we can use the long division. So, ito yung loob. Baliktad. Loob, ito yung labas. Gets, guys? Baka makalimutan nyo. Lola. Loob. Labas. Lola. Gets? Next. O, game. X divided by x, 1. 1 times x, x. 1 times 1, 1 minus. So, distribute lang, guys. Cancel, negative 1. So, the integral of 2 to 1 is 1 to 2 pala is equals to what? 1 minus yung remainder. Ito yung remainder. Then, copy this one. Gets, guys? So, integrate them 1 by 1. Yung 1, nandito na sa labas. Hindi ko na nilagay. Invisible lang yun, diba? So, x minus, since this one is equals to u x plus 1. The derivative of this is dx. Since dx, palta lang natin to ng du, and this will be equals to u. So, du all over u is equals to ln u. ln of u. What is the value of u? Dito na lang natin lagay x minus ln of gets, guys? Pinalata ko lang yung value ng u. So, game. Rewrite ko lang. So, FB is F2 minus F1. So, lahat ng X palitan ng 2. So, 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus ln of 1 plus 1. Yan, guys. So, 1 plus 1 yan, guys. 2 minus ln of 3 minus 2 minus ln of 1 plus 1, guys. 2. So, 2 minus ln of 3. This will be positive, guys. Distribute lang yan. So, cancel. So, ln of 3. And what? So, wait, guys. 2 minus 1, guys. Wait lang. So, this will be a 1, guys. Sorry. 1 to. Since lahat ng x palitan ng 1, di ba? So, 1 to, guys. 1 and 1. 2 minus 1. May 1 pa tayo dito. So, 1 minus ln of 3 and 2 plus ln of 2. Guys, gets? So, pwede na yun final answer. So, mas maganda tanong nyo sa professor nyo kung goods na ba yung ganyang final answer. Since meron pang isang final answer dyan is 1 minus ln of 3 all over 2. Guys, gets from the laws of logarithmic, natural logarithm. Guys, gets? Pero mas maganda tanong nyo sa teacher nyo kung goods na ba yung ganong final answer lang. Gets? O, next. Or, gusto niya decimal, depende sa teacher nyo, guys. Mas maganda, tanong pa rin, guys, para sure ball. Next. Mababa tong long division. Ito ay law of labas. Wait. So, divide lang natin yung x cubed divide x. X cubed divide sa x is x squared. Then, x cubed minus x squared. So, yan guys. So, this will be cancelled. So, positive x squared minus 2x. So, this will be equals to what? Positive x squared minus x. So, cancel, positive x, negative 2 plus x equals to negative x. So, negative 1, negative x plus 1. So, cancel na to. May negative yan. Distribute lang yan. So, this will be equals to negative 1, guys. Yes? So, the integral of 3 all over 2. 3 and 2 pala. Is equals to x squared plus x minus 1 minus 1 all over x minus 1. So, this will be a 1. So, kinuha ko lang to, guys. Then, this will be the remainder all over this one, guys. Gets? So, integrate natin by x cubed all over 3 plus x squared all over x minus x minus. So, ilan to, guys? Pag in-integrate natin, let u is equals to x minus 1, du is dx, di ba, guys? So, palitan natin ito ng du, and palitan natin ng u. So, ln of u. ln of u. What's the value of u? X minus 1. So, 3 and 2. Gets, guys? So, I think nakuha nyo yung banda doon, guys. Next. So, this will be x squared over 2. Sorry. Yan. Since power formula sa integral x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Gets, guys? So, next yan tayo, guys. Ano tayo? Dito. Substitute lang tayo ng FBN minus FA. FB is 3, FA is 2. This will be the B and this will be the A, guys. Gets? So, wait, baba natin. So, lahat ng X palitan ng 3. Guys, gets? So, magpapalit lang tayo ng variable na 3. So, pinapalit ako lang lahat ng X, diba, guys? Minus. Lahat ng X palitan ng 2 since ito yung FA. So, pinapalitan ko lang, guys. Oh, game. Proceed tayo sa kabila. So, 3 cube all over 3 is equals to what? So, 3 cube is equals to 27. 27 divided by 3 is equals to what? 9. Wait, sana 9 plus 9 all over 2 minus 3 minus ln of 2 minus this will be 8 all over 3 plus 4 all over 2 is 2 minus 2 minus ln of 1. Gets, guys? So, cancel. ln of 1, matic 0 from the rules of natural logarithmic, guys. So, ito, guys, 9 plus, sulpak nyo sa calcu yan, guys, minus 3 minus ln of 2. So, 21 all over 2 minus ln of 2 minus 8 all over 3, guys. Gets? So, 21 all over 2 minus 8 over 3. Yung fraction muna. Ito muna. 21 all over 2 minus 8 all over 3. This equals to 47 all over 6. So, next is minus ln of 2. Guys, gets? So, this will be the final answer. Gets? So, next tayo. Number 8. So, this one is, pwede siyang, wait, sana? Yan. Pwede siyang gamitan ng inverse. Integral of inverse, guys. So, since this one is u squared plus a squared, guys, pwede siyang inverse ng tangent, guys. Gets, guys? Tangent. So, v squared is equals to u raised to 4, guys. Or u squared pala, sorry. V squared and so u raised to 4, v is equals to u squared, guys. So, a squared is equals to 1 and a is equals to 1, guys. So, the dv is equals to 2u du. Gets pa, guys? So, next is that dv all over 2 is equals to u du. 2, 0. u du is equals to dv all over 2. U raised to 4, pwede natin denote yan as what? V squared, diba? V squared plus a squared. Gets? So, 1 half 2, 0 dv v squared plus a squared. So, this format, guys, is into what? Tangent, diba? Arctan. Gets? So, 1 half. So, 1 all over a tangent of u all over a. Diba, guys? Yun yung formula niya, guys, di ba? Since hindi naman yun yung variable natin, this will be equals to what? V. So, doon ilalagay yung limits niya, guys. 2 to 0, guys. Gets? So, wait. Di sana tayo dito. 1/2. So, 1 over A. What is the value of A, guys? 1 lang din yung A natin, di ba, guys? Gets? So, since 1 lang yung A natin, guys, 1 all over 1 tangent of negative 1. So, yung V natin is what? U squared all over 1 from with the limit of 2 to 0. So, dito na tayo. 1/2 tangent of negative 1 U squared. So, 2 and 0, guys. Gets? So, FB minus FA. Diba? Yung B natin is 2 minus 0. Gets? So, 1/2 tangent of negative 1. Lahat yung lang U palitan ng ano, guys? 2 minus 1/2 tangent of negative 1. 0 squared. So, gets, guys? So, sulpak lang natin sa calculator yan, guys. So, radian mode, guys. Radian since try ko. So, this will be equals to 0, guys. Diba? Sulat muna natin. Double check natin. So, yes, 0 nga siya. 0 to 0. Then, ito, lagay mo lang sa calculator yan. Wait. .6629. Yan yung value niya, guys, ng integral na to, guys. Gets? So, eto yun. U du all over x4 plus 1. So, the answer is 0.6629. Next, number 6. So, this will be a completing the square, guys. So, paano ba mag-completing the square, guys? 3, 2, dx, x squared minus 6x plus 10 plus, so, ito yun, guys, p all over 2 then squared. Yung b natin yun yung 6. Then, squared lang natin. So, I think, alam nyo na sagot dyan, guys. This will be equals to what? 9, di ba? 6 over 2, 3. Then, squared mo pa. Magiging 9. Then, sa kabila, guys, kung ano yung dinagdag mo sa kabila, guys, yun yung babawasan natin. Minus 9 nun. Parang 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. Parang walang nangyari. Gets? 3, 2 dx x minus 3 then squared plus 1. Diba? Gets pa? Oh. Next is what? We know that this will be a what? Tangent. Arctan. Arctan ulit. U squared is equals to x minus 3 then squared. So, a squared this will be equals to 1. Gets, guys? So, next that, wait. Integral of 3 all over 2 yan, guys. Wait. Ito, guys. So, the derivative of du is equals to dx. So, du all over u squared plus a squared. So, arctan to, diba, guys? So, Burahin lang natin guys. Yung arctan guys, di ba yung formula yung ganito? 1 over a, tangent negative 1, u all over a, plus c yun, di ba? Since definite to, huwag natin lagyan ng plus c. So 1 over a, tangent of negative 1, since yung u is x minus 3, all over a is 1. 3 all over 2. Gets guys? So 1. So 1 over 1 is 1 lang din. X minus 3 all over 1 is 1 lang din. So, yan na yun guys. So, FB is 3 minus FA. So, lahat ng X palitan natin ng 3 and lahat ng X palitan natin ng 2. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 2. Sorry, this will be a 2 guys. Oops, naglag. Okay. 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 guys. So, insert natin sa calc to. Radian mode 0 minus negative 1 all over pi. So, this will be equals to pi all over 4. Gets guys? So, pi over 4. Wait. Sorry. Wait guys, sinusulpa ko lang sa calculator. Pi over 4. Yan. Yan guys, correct. So, this will be the final answer guys, no? So, huwag kakalimutan kapag try ko is arctan. Pag mag-i-input ng value. Ay, radian pala. Sorry. Radian guys, sorry. O, game next tayo. Dito. 2x all over x4 plus 1 guys. So, sa dito naman guys, ulit. Ano na naman to? Inverse. Game. So, dahil inverse to guys, yung u natin is what? X squared. The du of this is 2x dx. Ang a squared nito is equals to 1. So, this will be the u and this will be the a guys. So, substitute lang natin yan. U. Since squared lang siya, u squared plus a squared. So, gets guys? So, this will be a format of what? Arctan. So, with the limits of 1, 0. Sorry, nakalimutan nilagyan. With the limits of 0 to 1, guys. So, the formula for this one is 1 all over a tangent negative 1 u all over a plus c yun, di ba guys? So, since definite tayo, huwag natin lagyan ng plus c. Gets? 1 over a. What is the value of a? 1. Tangent negative 1. So, x squared all over 1 with the limits of 1, 0 to 1. So, dito tayo. So, tangent of negative 1, x squared, arctan of 1 to 0. So, FB minus FA. So, this will be the B and this will be the A. Gets guys? Yung B natin is ano? B natin is 1. Then squared minus tangent of arctan 0. Then squared. Gets? So, game. So, yung pagkakascored niya guys, pwede naman nasa tawag dito, loob. Pero since dito nasa loob siya, equate natin siya nasa loob. Baka malito kayo. Pwede naman siya nasa labas pag mag-isa lang guys. So, arctan ng 1. So, this will be equals to what? Arctan ng 1, ilan to? 1 over pi. Then, next is that minus arctan nito is 0. So, pi all over 4 is the final answer for this problem, guys. Gets, guys? So, I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. God bless.